wiki.easybib.com. Search EasyVid Wiki before you decide. EasyVid presents the 10 best folding stools. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, take the travel chair slacker tripod with you on your next outdoor adventure and you'll never want for a place to take a break. It collapses down to the size of a rolled newspaper and can be held in its folded position by included Velcro straps. It comes with a ripstop fabric seat and a sturdy aluminum frame. However, it's not very comfortable. At number 9, the Zimmer Heavy Duty isn't going to win any beauty contests, but this durable and compact model can support an impressive 220 pounds, and that's worth something. Its rugged polyethylene seat resists cracking, scratches, and sun damage. It's made with welded steel cross pieces and a stain-resistant finish, but it doesn't lock in position. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Handy Laundry Lightweight has a textured non-slip surface, making it a safe choice for use in rooms where it might get wet, such as the bathroom or kitchen. It stands 9 inches tall when opened and less than 2 inches thick when folded. It's equipped with a molded-in carrying handle and is available in 3 colors. However, the rubber feet tend to come off. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for folding stools, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the mitylite Flex 1 prizes function over form. While its looks leave much to be desired, this compact and collapsible unit can safely support a user weighing as much as 300 pounds, yet it weighs only about 10 pounds itself. This is a counter-height model that folds in about 1 second, but the seat feels a little flimsy. Moving up our list to number 6, the Arco TwoStep provides you with either 9 or 18 inches of additional height, depending on which step you stand on. Its steel frame can hold up to 330 pounds, and its treads are extra wide to give you stability while you're working or reaching for something. It's just over 2 inches wide when folded, and a locking mechanism holds it open. No assembly is required. Halfway up our list at number 5. Things don't get much more basic than the Coleman Rambler 2. It can serve around the campsite as a compact table, a sturdy footrest, and of course as a stool. And while it's certainly not an elegant piece of furniture, its fabric seat beats sitting on dirt. It comes in at a great low price, and the seat is made from durable polyester. It's light enough for hiking trips. At number 4, there's nothing flashy about the trademark gameroom, but you'll appreciate its padded seat and the ease with which it sets up, thanks to its spring-action locking mechanism. The tubular steel frame makes it surprisingly light considering its durability. It's slender enough to slide under a couch and equipped with a wide and stable base. It supports most adults with ease. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the innovative QNX Exportable serves as both a handsome bar stool and a handy stepladder to help you with those hard-to-reach cupboards and shelves in your home. It's made of solid wood for durability and is easy to put together. It's both attractive and practical and can hold heavy loads. It comes with non-slip pads on each leg. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for folding stools, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, available in 4 colors and 3 heights, the Veigar Compact features rubber feet to keep it from sliding on hard floors and a non-slip textured step to help you stay in place when standing on it. It's light and easy to carry, yet can support up to 330 pounds. It's quick to fold and unfold and won a Red Dot Award for good design. It's made of sturdy polypropylene. And coming in at number 1 on our list, at a glance you would never know that the linon home decor Kirra can be folded up and tucked away in a matter of seconds. It looks for all intents and purposes just like a standard bar stool, but collapses for easy storage and portability. It arrives fully assembled with a handsome espresso finish. The upholstered seat is easy to clean. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for folding stools, or simply click beneath this video.